Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is the first, I think it's the first, depends on how I upload these and what order, but it's the first I'm filming of Seasons Week. The Taoists are often considering the seasons as metaphors and insights and um, important facets, important phases in the transmutation of energy to different energy to different energy. Much like we see the yin yang transform from one to the other. And today's Tàijíquán tip is to consider your awareness and intent formation. Maybe there's other elements to that. I've just said awareness and intent. But perhaps that there's awareness and then decision, then intent, and then catalyzing action. Maybe there's sort of a few different pieces there, but I'm not here to teach what they are, but you may have some idea. I'm just saying awareness and intent formation. So the stuff kind of that happens before physical movement. Consider them as made of each of the seasons. So perhaps we want to include the expression, the movement, and we have a field of awareness and a concretization into intent, a catalyzation into action, and then the expression itself. Consider those as seasons. Are you starting in spring? Are you starting in winter? Why is each one a different season? Does consider them as seasons allow you to understand them with more depth, more clarity, more breadth. Thank you for that. Appreciate you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.